RACER, innovative future tech.
Hello drifters, it's me, Driftwolf Gaming, Lycan-Strife here, and yeah, I just wanted to pay some attention with everybody who's watching this to the Drift online games. So now I'm trying to get in on the action real quick, and I'm asking you to do the same thing. So this is the text right here. I'm going to read it out loud. Drift online games, it's racing time. Select the race mode and go for a lap. We do 2 laps with a standing start, but be careful, this track is not for the faint-hearted. Show us what you've got and make a nice video of your fastest lap. To be on the leaderboards and compare yourself to the others, you have to post your lap time now in the forum under the post created for it. In the future, we will hold even bigger competitions this way in the forum. We are excited about your results. So there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind. People that are looking at this video are like, yeah, but I don't have the barriers and I don't have that track. Well, it's very simple. They put down the measurements. So the only thing that you have to do is either just like use some paper, draw something out, grab other things that you can use as barriers, maybe even bananas or something like that. I don't know. There's a lot of things that you can use your creativity for and make this track. Now, I'm one of the lucky ones that I do have this track, and I do have some barriers. I probably don't have all the barriers to make the whole line out thing, but I can probably make the barriers in the middle. And again, if you can't, you can still make specific points or areas where they made the measurements, where you can put something down, like a salt shaker or something like that. It can be very simple. You don't have to overthink this. So, and of course, you need to make videos, you need to have proof, you need to do 2 laps, you need to have the finish line, which is something that you can also print from their website. If you have the Drift RACER, it comes with the standard sensor underneath the car, which senses the finish line. So you can do 2 laps, make a video, and then post that under the, you can put it on YouTube, stuff like that, and post your time on the forum for access to the leaderboards. So that's something very cool if you ask me. Let's see, so that I think that's 140 right here. I actually need to blow this up. Hang on, can I zoom in? Yeah, it did. Okay, so going from the track right here, it's 270 centimeters wide, I think. And let's say 140 high or deep. So that's pretty easy to do, pretty easy to set up. You can just, like, if you have a big floor or something like that, you can put like 4 cones on the corner and just be safe that that's the whole area that you need. Or maybe like put something down like a measurement tape or a bit of rope or something like that. Coasters that you put underneath your glass, stuff like that. That's what you can use for the round parts of the barriers. So that should be fairly easy. So we're gonna go over the track layout. We got this, we got the start right here. So this is the start, this area. That's the start finish line. Let me see if that picks up on OBS. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna follow the line right here, yeah? This is the start line. You're gonna start from here and go all the way over a whole area this way. You're gonna get all over these barriers on the top side. Then you're gonna go in between the 2 barriers on the right. You're gonna go around the small barrier right here, in between these 2 on the left, and going all the way over on top again, just so you can get back to the start finish line. And that's what you have to do 2 times. And yeah, this is a nice challenge if you ask me. So I'm ready to do this soon enough. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick how this whole area thing works. You can check this video for if you need to know how. I mean, everybody can see it, of course. It's not that difficult, but if you want to check out more information, you can check out this video. This is just an overview real quick. I just wanted to ask everybody who has a Drift RACER to start doing this, because we would love to see more and more people on the leaderboards. And let's be honest, there are so many Germans on the leaderboards, man. We need people from the Netherlands and people from Belgium and France and whatever, and Austria, everything. We need everybody who has a Drift RACER. We just need to get more people on this. So get your cars ready, get the track ready, look at these lines over here, check the text, and go to the forums, post your leaderboards, make videos, and show them to me if you want. You know, if you think, well, I want to show them to Driftwolf Gaming, that's fine. So we're gonna see if we can do these barriers and this challenge and see how we're gonna get up on the leaderboards. So let's do this, people. See you guys in the next video. Show me what you got and let me know what you have done with the lap times. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and check out more content on my channel. Driftwolf Gaming out.
Drift Racer, innovative future tech.